Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market, the last 24 hours have been a little hectic, especially for the meme coins. There's been a lot of profit taking that has taken place. You can see Pepe, Flocky, Bonk, everything is in red by quite a margin. But if we talk about Dogecoin, it's able to hold on to its price very well, making sure it does not fall below the support close to 16.5 cents. Therefore, a lot of whales are paying attention. Even the trading volume suggests the same thing, as it's well above 1.5 billion. There are some catalysts. First of all, suspicious transaction ahead of Elon Musk's Dogecoin tweet. Analysts predict a breakout for Dogecoin that will be happening very soon, and Binance just delisted a trading pair between Dogecoin and Bitcoin. There is a lot to cover today, but before we get into it, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with Dogecoin, scroll down, tap the red subscribe button. While you're there, slap a like on the video, just help the algorithm push the video to more people find out the positive side of Doge, decide to buy into it, start spiking up, all of us make a lot of profit. I mean, you guys can see the bubble for Doge is so small right now. Is that a good thing? In my opinion, yes, because Sheep and Whiff, they're in the green, but the other three are in a very strong red. So Doge just being able to hold its price around this zone is going to be very, very important, especially if we just look at the trading volume. It's exceeding XRP, so there is a very high chance that the next momentum that we will be receiving from Dogecoin is obviously going to push it well above XRP and maybe actually take over USDC as well. If we look at the price action, you can see that right now we're sitting at a very critical stage because we're still well above the uptrend line, but we're pretty much testing it every single day. Now this testing is going to be super important because these limit orders that will be set around these zones are going to be the reason why Dogecoin price keeps climbing. Keep in mind, just for the price to be climbing, we need to make sure that the upwards momentum does not slow down. At the same time, if we do break above the 20 cent mark, there will be so much FOMO from all the big whales that the price will go up by itself and in a very short period of time. Because I do understand that some people who are invested in Dogecoin want a short-term gain. For that, you will still have to wait at least 15 days before we are able to just, carry on with this upwards momentum once the FOMO kicks in. And trust me, when the FOMO kicks in, the momentum will be very, very quick, just like something you saw before around this area. At the same time, I do want to show you guys this. Now, this is really, really interesting. Suspicious transaction ahead of Elon Musk's Dogecoin tweet. He bought the other meme coins he mentioned. How do we know? Well, this assumption is a serious matter, not only from moral but also from a legal point of view, so I decided to investigate this. Now the address this transferred 560 Solana from Binance has started buying Harambe, Elon Musk's post, which managed to raise the token by 32%. So far, it really looks like Elon bought that coin and then using the death made the post to pump the price. Here they are. Now, these are the transactions that happen. Now, if this allegation is correct, it's not only from just the moral point of view, but this would be considered as an insider trading if it was in the stock market, and something like this is actually illegal right now due to the fact that he's famous. He's not able to use that to steal money from people. And you can see that Dogecoin right now is trending on Twitter, so there is a lot of people that are paying attention to a lot of key details. Now analysts predict a breakout that will be happening very soon. Market analysts are technical indicators in a certain cryptocurrency suggesting a potential preparation for a price upswing. Observed a significant resistance on Dogecoin's upward momentum that can be broken if we just make it above 17 cents and actually stay there without actually falling back down. Now, Binance just delisted some trading pairs, and one of them being Doge to Bitcoin. What kind of impact will this have on the crypto market? Well, keep in mind, this trading pair was probably not even used as much as you guys think. Users can continue trading these assets in other available pairs on our platform. So Dogecoin USDT is probably the most one traded. So Bitcoin to Dogecoin, probably not a big deal. Also, the open interest is still sitting well above the 850 million, sitting pretty much exactly where it was, not able to make a decision. That's exactly what's happening, and you can see that the short traders have lost a significant amount. Which crypto is better? best suited for user tipping and why Dogecoin. Now this is a really interesting post that was made by a Doge designer, clearly promoting Dogecoin and maybe X payments integration that will be happening in the future. Last cycle I shared Dogecoin before it went up by 170x. Next one is going to be sending us to the 7x. Also, Dogecoin, as long as we continue to hold these higher lows and stay in the mid-range of this channel, a breakout to $1 will be very quick. Now, as I mentioned, just being able to carry on this uptrend is going to be super important. If we're able to just hold this uptrend, trust me, when the FOMO kicks in, it's going to be so quick that when I make my video, you guys will realize that the price went from 16 to 32 cents in a matter of 3 hours. That will be something you can quote me on in the future. Now, Dogecoin poisoned for a potential surge. Key resistance levels could trigger a doubling in value. Now, as I mentioned, the 32 cents, right now we're sitting close to 16 cents. The 32 cents would be a lot closer than a lot of you guys think, due to the fact that it's actually not so hard to push up the price once the FOMO kicks in and a lot more people are buying in. Now, Trump pledges to replace the bold eagle with the dead Dogecoin if elected. Now, this is a really interesting thing that was posted, but the fact that I just don't have words to describe what I just read, but if that does happen, I don't know what kind of America everyone will be living in. Now, Dogecoin or Shiba Inu, which will gain more profits in June, while the rate at which we are moving, most likely Doge has a lot more bigger eyes that are paying attention to it and therefore has more potential to explode. And same thing with XRP, it's going to be having that big battle to make it sure that's able to make it to the 7th largest token as soon as possible. And seeing that's able to beat XRP in the trading volume saves a lot of margins. And now Grayscale loses the top spot to BlackRock in Bitcoin ETF race. Now, Grayscale was holding on to significant amount of Bitcoin ETF, and BlackRock has been accumulating even greater. And Grayscale, 47% of voters, key crypto investments ahead of 2024 US election. A lot of people are believing that the US election will be the turning point of the crypto's bull market this season. Now, for the people who do not know when that is, it's pretty much going to be at the start of November when all of this will be happening. And especially if Trump gets into the office, there will be a lot of pumping or a lot of excitement by the crypto industry, and there is going to be a lot of momentum that we will be seeing. Right now it's like more like a standstill. If you are part of the stock market, you have noticed this. It's always like this. But if you're part of crypto, I know you want to see more momentum. Just trust me, give it some time. Once June gets into the halfway zone, Dogecoin might be actually seeing something that you will be very excited to witness. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, drop a like on it. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, and I'll see you soon.